Hello everyone, you may be wondering what this is. If you follow me on all the social feeds, you know that this is a project I have been working on for a couple of weeks now, and I've finally been able to crack the conical roof. Before I go into explaining how I've constructed this, I want to thank everybody who has been encouraging me on all the different social feeds to do this kind of thing. This does take a lot of time and effort to do, and with your encouragement, it sees me through being able to come up with a bunch of different types of solutions. So I just, again, want to thank everybody, and please, if you want to help me out further, please take the time to like and subscribe. So let's get looking at this properly now. Unlike what you might think taking a first glance, this is actually a 9-sided figure, unlike the 8-sided magic circle I did. This is mainly due to the difference in construction because this one uses 1x3 inverted slopes to get the angles that we needed. And as with the magic circle, this center bit is just there to cover up the hole. It wasn't possible to actually bring out the cone, but I think that end effect is really good anyways to kind of lend to the circular shape. So we'll flip it over now and you can see the pattern that is inside. I think this is so cool in here. It kind of reminds me of the maw in the Sarlacc pit in Star Wars. We just have rows and rows of teeth. So you see it is quite complicated when we have it all together, but I'm going to show you one panel by itself so you can see how it is all constructed. So this is one segment by itself. The segments are connected to each other by using the pneumatic connectors along with 2 droid arms. So these clips would align up with this pneumatic connector over here. And also we have this claw up here, which is connected to the others using an elastic, and that just helps hold the tension on the top of the roof. Each panel is composed of 2 different elements that are lined up facing each other. To connect these together, I used the tile here and then the plate with the 2 bars on either end, and they're both connected into stud on the side bricks. You might be wondering why this clip is here. It's not actually clipping into anything. Just the very edge of it is riding against this tile. Again, giving a little bit more stability to the very top of the roof so that the roof doesn't want to compress too much into itself. And I should explain, this round tile is here to make sure that when the pneumatic connector goes in, that it doesn't go in too far, because there is a little bit of finessing that has to be done to get those connectors into the position that they need to be in. Too far in or too far out will actually throw off the alignment of the roof. Now you can see the slopes properly. So we have 3 on this side, 2 on the other side. And we have our slope and flat and slope and flat. And when you do that on either side and slide them together, they come together perfectly. On the edges here we have tiles on one side and wedges on the other. And when we line those up, we get the exact angle we needed to make the conical roof possible. You'll see up here that there is a plate with a wedge on it, and that is just to fill that little bit of a gap that happens when we overlap the panels. So when we clip everything together and get all the connections locked in, this is the result. And don't forget that elastic band, which will help hold the tension. I know there's a lot of potential uses for this. For myself, I developed it to be the top of a castle tower. But then somebody suggested about using it for Hagrid's hut, and my wife and daughter happen to be big Harry Potter fans, so I think I will be doing that next. I hope it's inspired you to try out things you didn't think that were possible with Lego. I know I'm going to be exploring a lot of different geometric shapes and different techniques, so if you want to see more of that, please subscribe to the channel, and then you can see when I've posted a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming bricks. Bye-bye.